you have been infused. You've already been infused with blessings from on high. You have wisdom, you have knowledge, you have prosperity, you have it all. Start living it.
If you marry me and you are carnal, you will not like me at all. Because when you want to hug me, I want to hug God. The moment you want to kiss me, I want to kiss Papa God. You must have a certain level of spirituality. Every single time Jesus wanted to perform a miracle, he would go up to a mountain to recharge energy. When you take the call of being a priest, you control the economy of your whole family. Where there's an issue, there's a burden happening in your family, you say, give it to me. I will sort this one out in my altar. This is why if you walk with me, it's always prayer, because I'm recharging energy. Now, my son's girlfriend is from Sri Lanka. Now, you see, now listen. He loves his girlfriend. Yeah. But listen to me. In that same sequence, it is very spiritual. Because if you marry an Indian, they pay the lobola. I can't wait to receive. You marry from Sri Lanka, they pay. Now, we need to be thinking, see, my father's brother is here. Stand up. See, now, so he has remained as the father now. Watch this. So I have to ask him, so how many cows, any cattle? No. On UJ, we get the cows ourselves. Thank you, sir. Huh? Oh no, we are taking. So,
as I watched people leaving church, I was amazed at how they looked. What is it about God and fashion that goes so well together?